Good morning, my lovely kids. How are you? I hope all of you are fine and doing well at your home. Today we are learn about even number and odd numbers according to your book. Let us begin our lesson today by understanding what even number and odd number are. When you start writing this topic, first of all you write date like this, 3rd June 2020. Day Wednesday. Topic even and odd numbers. What is even number? Even numbers are number with the digit 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in the ones place are called even number. Even numbers are always in pairs. Even number are always in pairs. Let's see one example. Look at 12. This is 12, and what you can see, what you can observe in the ones place, what is this? This is 2. So 2 is in the ones place. That's why 12 is even number. 12 is an even number. Why? Because 2 in ones place. 2 in ones place, and you know that 0, a number with the digit 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in the ones place. So here 2 in ones place, that's why 12 is an even number. It's clear to all of you? And you also know that the even numbers are always in pairs. You can see one more example, 10. So what is in the ones place? 0. 0 in the ones place. So 10 is an even number. 10 is an even number. Now you can see here I have some leaves. You can see here I have some leaves, and you know that object even in number can always be grouped into twos. They are always in pairs, so we grouped into twos. Let me show you how. Here are 10 leaves. Here are 10 leaves. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 10 leaves. And you know that 10 is an even number. You know that 10 is an even number. So we can group into twos. Let how? This is one group. This is second pair. This is third pair. And this is fourth pair. And this is the fifth pair. You can see here are 10 leaves, and we are grouped into twos, in pairs. This is one pair, this is second pair, this is third pair, this is fourth pair, and this is fifth pair. Now you can understand object in even number can always be grouped into pairs, always be grouped into twos, like this. This is the first group, this is the second group, this is the fourth group, this is the fourth group, and this is the fifth group. It's clear to all of you what is even number? And now you can once again you count how many leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So your 10 leaves now divided into groups. Here are 5 groups. First, second, third, fourth and fifth. Now you can understand 10 is an even number and we grouped 10 leaves into twos. Here are 5 groups, 5 pairs. It's clear to all of you? Good. Now let us understand the meaning of odd number R. Odd numbers are numbers with the digit 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 in the ones place are called odd numbers. Odd numbers are never in pairs. So, a number with the digit 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 in the ones place are called odd number. Odd numbers are never in pairs. So, now I have some leaves. Let's count how many leaves are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many leaves? 11. And what is in the ones place? 1. And you know that 1 is an odd number. 1 is an odd number. So 11 is odd number. And you also know that object odd in number cannot be grouped into twos. One object is always left. Let's see how. Now we divide into groups. 1, 2, this is the second pair, this is the third pair, and this is the fourth pair, and this is the fifth pair. And now what you can see, one leaf is alone, one leaf is left. So what you can observe, all the leaves in pair, only one leaf is alone in out of group. So what you can understand, odd number are never in pairs. Odd numbers are never in pairs. So it's clear to all of you. Here are 11 leaves, so 5 groups, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups and 1 leaf. 5 groups and 1 leaf. This leaf is not in pair, so we can say that 11 is odd number and odd numbers are never in pairs. It's clear to all of you? So you can write here 11. So 1 in ones place, so you write here 11 is an odd number. It's clear to all of you? What is even number? What is odd number? Your book, page number 23. Even and odd numbers. All numbers ending with 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0 are called even numbers. Even numbers are always in pairs, you know that. All numbers ending with 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 are called odd numbers. Odd numbers are never in pairs, you know that very well. Let's see, here are one math step. Even and odd numbers come one after another. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So you know that 1 is odd number and 2 is even. 3 odd and 4 is even. 5 is odd and 6 is even. 7 odd, 8 even. 9 odd and 10 even. So you can understand from here the even and odd numbers come one after another. Let's try to find out sum and even number from the counting. First of all, you write the counting from 1 to 30. Write the counting from 1 to 30 and circle in the even number. So first of all, you write the counting 1 to 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. And then circle in the even number. So let us start. You know that 1 is odd and 2 is even. So circle in 2. 3 is odd and 4 is even. 5 is odd and 6 is even. 7 odd and 8 is even. 9 odd and 10 is even. Why 10 is even? You know that 0 in one's place. That's why 10 is even number. 11, 1 in the one's place. That's why 11 is odd number. Here 12, 2 in the place of one's place. So 12 is even number. 13 is odd because 3 in one's place. So it is odd number. 14, 4 in the one's place. So it is even number. 15, 5 in the ones place, so it is odd number. 16, 6 in the ones place, so it is even number. Next is 17, 7 in the ones place, so it is odd number. 18, 8 in the ones place, so 18 is even number. 19, 9 in the ones place, so it is odd number. 20, 0 in ones place, so it is even number. 21, it is odd because 1 in one's place and 1 is odd number. 2 in one's place, so 22 is even number. 23 is odd number because 3 in one's place. 24 is even number, so circle it. 25 is odd number because 5 in one's place. 26 is even number because 6 in one's place. 27 is odd number because 7 in one's place. 28 is an even number because 8 in one's place, so you circle it. 29 is even number because 9 in one's place, and 30 is 29 is odd number because 9 in one's place, and 30 is even number because 0 in one's place. Now you can see here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28 and 30 are even number. And even and odd numbers come one after another. It's clear to all of you? I hope you all have understood even and odd numbers very well. We will meet our next topic. Until stay home, stay safe. Thank you.